it's me, Yana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I make lifestyle videos, vlogs, day in the lives, and college videos, so if you're interested in that, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today's video, I am finally doing my back to school clothing haul. I'm sorry this took a while to do. I just kept going to random places and kept picking things up, and I felt like I didn't have enough for a haul, but I finally got a good amount of stuff. And a lot of the stuff that I got is like mostly basic pieces because I literally like donated so much clothes, like basically restarted my wardrobe. Let's just get right into the video. So I'll start off with shoes. I did get one pair of shoes and they look like this. I am obsessed with them. They're actually from Amazon. I'll put a link to them below. I got these actually. Brooke Michio has like an Amazon page and this was in her like recommended. So I picked these up and I love them. They were only $25, which is pretty good for boots like this, and they're super comfortable. The heel is like the perfect length, not too tall, but I figured these would go with a lot of things. Give me some height because I'm 5'1", you know. But yeah, I got those and I love them so much. They are so cute. Now I'll show you guys what I got from Target. I got a lot of like basic pieces from Target and I was actually surprised. Target has such cute things. I definitely recommend checking it out for like fall stuff or just basic stuff. I got a pair of jeans and these are like the most comfy, best jeans that I've ever had. They are the high rise skinny, and they are by the brand Universal Thread, which I love this brand. All of their stuff is so soft, and I got these on sale actually for $12. I didn't even know they were on sale. I just scanned them and they were $12 and originally they were $19.99. and these are just like really basic jeans. I love high-rise jeans. And what I like about them is they're like kind of like frayed on the end, which adds a cute detail, and they're just skinny jeans because I feel like these look the best on me. I don't really like how I look in mom jeans. I feel like I'm too short for them or something, I don't know, but yeah. And these are just like a plain medium wash color, and I don't have any plain jeans. I do have a pair of Levi's, but I actually donated them because they just, I didn't love them and I only wanted to like keep clothes that I loved. So got these jeans, definitely love them and will definitely buy more from this brand. From the brand A New Day, I just got a basic white tank top, nothing too exciting. It's just like a scoop neck. Oh, I also got a black one, but I think it's in the wash, but it's the exact same thing except black. Believe it or not, I didn't have a plain black or white tank top, but this shirt that I'm wearing is like the equivalent to just a plain shirt. So I really needed this and I've been wearing it so much and it's so soft. And it was $8, which is such a good deal for like a good quality t-shirt. And I've like washed this already and it like stays the same shape and everything, so definitely recommend that. Then by that same brand, I just got a long sleeve gray top. I don't have very many long sleeve top, and I wanted a black one, but they didn't have one that was v-neck. But I'll probably check another Target and go and get just a plain black one. But I really like this. I figured I could wear this with jeans, with a scarf, cardigan over it, or just to have for layering in the winter because it gets really cold here in Minnesota, and it's a really nice soft material. That's really important to me, to just have nice shirts. So love this. Super basic, but definitely will get a lot of use out of that. Then from the brand Wild Fable, oh, by the way, that shirt was $10, and this cardigan was $20, and it's just a basic black cardigan, and it's knitted and it's super soft. It's longer in the back and shorter in the front, which I like, and it's pretty like oversized and just super comfy, and I know I will wear this like a ton. I also like tried buying clothes that I could wear to work, that could be like work appropriate, but also that I could just wear like just to class or for fun. And I feel like this, I'm just like so obsessed with this. They had a bunch of other different colors. They had like red, army green color. I'm pretty sure they had like, did they have a white? I don't know, but I got black because I figured that's the one I would wear the most. Then I got a couple things from Aeropostale. So I don't usually go in there, but all of their stuff was like super cheap, like on sale, and I found cute things. So first I actually got some underwear. I got like, it was a deal. I think it was like 4 for something. I'll just show you like super quick. I don't know, I don't remember the exact price, but they were so cheap, and they're like cotton underwear, which is like the best kind. So yeah, I got like just a cheeky gray pair. Then I love boy shorts, so I got a boy short gray pair. I just got a hipster nude. And then, whoops, I got, what is this one? A cheeky black one. So just got basic colors, but yeah, those were like 4 for $10, I'm pretty sure, and one of those was $8.50. So that's a really good deal, a lot cheaper than Victoria's Secret and better quality in my opinion. This is like one of the my favorite things I got. This top used to be $44.50, but I got it for $15, I think, and it just looks like this. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's like an off-white kind of knitted top with buttons on the side, and it's super lightweight, which I love, and so soft. Like soft things are like such a huge necessity for me, and I figured this would look super cute with like a really cute bralette underneath and some jeans or leggings. I love this top so much. It is like super duper soft. And the last thing that I got at Aeropostale were just some high-rise leggings. They're just super basic black leggings, high-rise, and they're cotton and like super stretchy and comfy. Just get like new ones every year just because they get like worn out from like washing a lot because I use them all the time. But yeah, just basic black leggings. And the rest of the stuff is from TJ Maxx, Sierra Trading Post, or Marshalls, which is all part of the same company. So the first thing I got is this crew neck, and it's New Balance crew neck, and I'm obsessed with it. It is white, and then it just has like the logo on there, and it's super soft on the inside, and I got it in a large just so that it can be like loose and comfy and I got a lot of white stuff but yeah, I just figured I could throw this on over anything when I head to the gym, or just wearing to class with leggings if I'm feeling lazy, or just wear it around the house. I think it's super cute and comfy, and I've been like searching for a crew neck for the longest time. Then I got a bodysuit from TJ Maxx, and it was $9.99, and I love it. It looks like this. It's like a square neck, and it's this maroon color, which I thought would be so cute for fall. And I like bodysuits because they suck everything in and just look really cute. This would be really nice to like go out in, or wear to like a dinner, or like dress it with some jeans. I think it's really adorable, and it's super soft as well. So I am super excited about this top, and it was really cheap. The last thing I got at TJ Maxx was this sweater, which was $16.99, and it's super soft. I love this. It's like a cream colored oversized sweater, and it's not like an itchy material. It's really soft and cuddly and cozy, and it's really long, so it'd be perfect to wear to work with leggings and like some booties. and I'm super excited. I'm like so excited for fall and like being cozy and warm and just, oh, I cannot wait. And the last thing I got is actually from a thrift store. I got a black sweater for $8. What brand is this? It's by the brand Knitwear F&F. And it's just like a basic v-neck sweater, and I really like it because it's like a mid-sleeve sweater, and I feel like these are really flattering to wear with like a cute necklace and just tucked into a skirt or something like that. So love that. So yeah, that was everything I got for my back to school clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I got a lot of just like basic pieces, but honestly I know I'll be wearing it the most and it'll go with everything, and I'm rebuilding my wardrobe and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for all your love and support, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.